Hey guys, what's happening? How to get unbanned from Roblox games. So go ahead and open up your browser and go to roblox.com/support. Again, roblox.com/support. And it's gonna get you to the page of the help center where you're gonna enter your credentials. You can enter your username, first name, and make sure to add email address so they can reach out, right? And select the device that you are using before you got banned. So in my case, I used PC. Oh, excuse me, I used iPhone. So where's iPhone? Yeah, right here. And select the type of category, right? I'm gonna try to pin down something close to banning, right? Or moderation. Okay, moderation. And then select the reason I was wrongly moderated or for my behavior. I was wrongly moderated for an asset I created. Depends on your problem, obviously. And I'm gonna select the first option, right? So I'm gonna hit the first option. Okay. And then add the description of the issue, right? Type, I believe I was wrongly, wrongly or I was wrongfully moderated / banned and would like to appeal. Please review my chat logs. Thank you. Okay, and simply hit continue, and you're gonna be able to send your request to Roblox, and they will process that information and they will reach out to your email that you use. So make sure to add the correct email. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.